Hi everyone, this is Jeff Teague with Fred Anderson Toyota and Ali from our service department. Ali is our expert today in Ask the Expert, and he's going to tell us about hybrid versus gasoline. Is there additional maintenance required because you have chosen a hybrid versus maybe a gasoline model that you're used to? So Ali, I guess a general question would be, let's say you drive a Camry or a RAV4, you've driven that all your life, and now you're thinking of switching to a Camry hybrid or a RAV4 hybrid. Would you have to worry that there's additional maintenance required because it is a hybrid?
The additional maintenance is nominal.
Oh.
The main difference, none of the electrical systems has to be serviced. They don't have oil changes or anything like that. At 100K, if you have a normal vehicle with just the engine on it, you have to service the coolant. On a hybrid system, since you have a separate cooling system, at 100K you have to also service that. That's about the only thing that adds to it.
Okay.
The brakes last a lot longer.
Okay, because you would think because it's a hybrid that the brakes might go sooner, but they actually last longer than a gasoline?
The brakes on a hybrid vehicle last a lot longer because rather than using the brake pads to slow the vehicle all the time, the pads are also used. The car uses the kinetic energy of the car to slow the car down and charge the batteries.
And that's the term regenerative braking.
Regenerative braking. All hybrid vehicles do that.
Okay, so your brake pads could actually last longer because it's a hybrid.
Yes, they do.
Wow, that is interesting. And so the main servicing that you would have when you first buy your vehicle might be tire rotations every 5,000.
Yes.
How often do you suggest a synthetic oil change?
Every 10,000 miles is what the factory recommends.
Okay, and then every 30,000 or so you'll be changing filters?
Yes.
Okay, and then there's really nothing else that would be, because it's a hybrid, that would be additional cost. So in a way, for maintenance, you might even be saving money over time because it's a hybrid versus gasoline. Is that possible?
I think our hybrid vehicles use less money to maintain them, really do.
That's incredible, and that kind of dispels the myth that hybrids are much more expensive because there has to be additional maintenance, and there really isn't much at all.
No, unless something breaks, the regular maintenance part. And from what I've seen in Toyota since the first generation Prius, the hybrids are usually require less maintenance.
That is really something. All right. Well, hopefully that will make you have a little bit of peace of mind that your next hybrid is an excellent choice. It'll be dependable, reliable, with low cost of ownership over time. Ali, thank you again so much. I really appreciate your expertise, and hopefully the world does too. If you can give Ali a shout out here for all his help, and write down any questions that you might have for future videos. We'll see if we can find an expert to help you. This has been Ask the Expert. Thank you very much. Say hello and goodbye to the world, Ali.
Hello and goodbye to the world.
See you next time.